machine. So just to give you an example of what we're going to do with it, let's get right into it and let's show you. Hit the record button. And here we are, we're totally synchronized over here. So you see that 127? I'm going to go with the pitch fader. Sorry, I wasn't really paying attention. I was over here screwing around with the sync button because I shouldn't have taken off the sync. So if you stop it, then you're gonna. That's the only thing you have to bring it in on the one. It's the same as mixing, right? One, two, three, four, two. So you're gonna have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, then drop it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. But you drop it in the 4. That's a fucked up beat I have going over here anyways. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna do a count in here. And the reason it sounds so perfect is with one simple deal. Beyond the fact that everything's all synchronized, this is the most important one. We're going to go over here, go into your preferences. Let me zoom in on that for you. And under your defaults, come on. And quantize record. So when I record in, it's snapping everything to a grid because I don't have perfect timing. Here's the key. There's the other part of this trick too. You gotta have Traktor as the master, because if you have the song as a master, it's just issues. It just doesn't work like it should. I know it's a whack little beat, but oh, metronome's still going. Take that off. So yeah, there's about a 4 or 5 minute video, 5 minutes to be exact, getting right down to it. And that's how you sync everything up. Maybe not the best video in the world, but hopefully it kind of gives you, rings a bell, because I did this before with the PC, and it was a real bitch doing a PC. It's much easier to doing this stuff here. Let me show you how it's all done, I guess. Turn this shit down here for a second. So all you gotta do, I'm gonna go through this real fast. MIDI clock, send MIDI clock. Go down to controller manager. Under controller manager, you're gonna be doing the add generic MIDI, right? You're gonna turn that to none. You're going to turn the out port to your Traktor virtual output. Right, then you're going to go over to machine. And so just a bit of a shake going on there. You're going to go into your is it here? Audio MIDI settings under your file. You go to your MIDI, and you're going to make sure Traktor virtual output is on. Then you're also going to go up to, so you can shut that down. And if you go back up to file, sync to external MIDI clock is checked on. That's it. That's all you do. And then when you want to start machine, the play button doesn't do shit. You have to go over here, and you have to do your play button. Click on your metronome, and there's your play button and your sync button. You can figure out the rest. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.